Good morning everyone. I am here with new quiz from chapter 2 class 7 Nutrition in Animals. This quiz will be of 20 marks including 20 MCQs and I have allotted 1 minute to each question. So you have enough time to score well. Okay? All the best. But before we begin, let's quickly go through these instructions. You have to note down your answer in your notebook, or you can take any piece of paper. Okay, any blank piece you can note down. 1 minute. Okay, answer key will be provided to you in the comment box or in the description after completion of live quiz. Okay, after 1 hour or 2 hours, and 20 MCQs are there. So let's begin. Timer will be shown here, and if you are appearing after live, so you can post the question and you can write down your answer. Okay, no need to take screenshot and anything. You just post the video and note down the answer. So the pointed teeth in the buccal cavity are called. These are the options. You have to select one of them. A. Incisors, B. Canines, C. Premolar, or D. Molars. Very easy question. Class 4 question, right? Class 4 chapter 1, yes. The pointed teeth in our buccal cavity are called. Incisor, canines, premolar, or molar. Time's up. We move to the second question. Bile juice is stored in liver, pancreas, gallbladder, and stomach. Just yesterday we have discussed about this question. I am sure you will answer correct one, right? So again, those who are giving the examination after live, okay, you just simply post the question or post the video and note down the answer. No need to hurry, huh? यस जो लोग लाइव पब्लिक होने के बाद, मतलब कि पब्लिश होने के बाद अभी जो देख रहे हैं वीडियो लाइव नहीं है, तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, वीडियो पॉज करके क्विज दे सकते हो. एक एक क्वेश्चन पॉज करते जाओ, क्विज देते जाओ, सिंपली. यस, वी मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Which of the following is not a secretion of stomach? Very interesting question. Again we have discussed this. Bile juice, mucus, HCl, or digestive juice. From the following, select one. I think 60 seconds is far enough for this kind of question. Okay, because this question is very basic, so I'm not giving this much of time. 50 seconds is enough. We'll move to the next question. Question number 4. Which of the following is a ruminant? Again we have discussed this yesterday. Which of the following is a ruminant? Buffalo, camel, goat, or all of these? Simply think wisely and opt the correct options. Choose wisely, huh? Think twice before giving the answer. Which of the following is a ruminant? Which of the following? Buffalo, camel, goat, or all of these? Question 4. Again I will say, answer key will be provided to you in the comment box after 2 hours of okay. Next question. Question number 5. Which of the following is not a part of nutrition? Which of the following is not a part of nutrition? Digestion, absorption, assimilation, and excretion. Which one? digestion, absorption, assimilation or excretion? Simple question. Which of the following is not part of nutrition? Time is running out. 10 seconds left. Yes. Now we'll move to the next question. Question number 6. An amoeba ingests food with the help of cilia, tentacles, pseudopodia or buccal cavity. Amoeba ingests food with the help of following. You can select one. Again, we have discussed this question in our classroom, right? And I think 45 seconds is enough for this question, so I am not giving much time to this question. Okay, we'll move to the next question. Question number 7. Grass is rich in blank, a special kind of carbohydrate which can only be digested by ruminant. What is that? Glucose, cellulose, sucrose or fructose? Select from these options. Right. Don't write out your own option. Glucose, cellulose, sucrose or fructose. Again, we have discussed these questions also. So better next time you give attention to the classroom interactions, right? Because classroom interaction helps you a lot in the examinations if you are participating in the interactions, right? We'll move to the next question. Question number 8. Amylase enzyme is present in bile juice, saliva, gastric juice, pancreatic juice. Simple question. If you carefully look at the options, you will find out the correct one. Okay? Match the enzyme with different juices: saliva, bile juice, gastric or pancreatic juice, whatever. "45 seconds. We have 10 seconds left. Okay. 7, 6, 5, 3, 2 and go. I will move to the next question. Question number 9. The walls of large intestine absorb. Read the question carefully. Yeah? The walls of large intestine absorb water, protein, cellulose or roughage. What is the correct answer? Water, protein, cellulose or roughage. Large intestine. The walls of large intestine. Very easy question, basically. Options are very easy and the question is also easy. And obviously the options are the one who makes the question tough or easy. I'll explain you later in the classroom, okay? We'll move to the next question. Question number 10. Which of the following do not have teeth? Which of the following that do not have teeth? Rat, bird, snakes or elephants? Rats, birds, snakes or elephants? Options are very easy. Which of the following that do not have teeth? That do not possess teeth. Okay, select wisely. I am giving you 50 seconds of time. Okay, let's say 3 seconds are left. 3, 2 and 1. Let's go to the next question. Question number 11. There are given some parts of digestive system right here. Choose the odd one out. You have to select odd one. Stomach, liver, pancreas or salivary gland. Option A, stomach, liver, pancreas, or salivary glands. Here are some parts of digestive system. You have to select the odd one out. Yes. Okay. So we'll move to the next question. I am giving you 50 seconds for this question. Silly question, right? Easy question. Sorry, silly not question. Easy question. Okay, let's move. 12 number question. Question number 12. The swallowed food moves downwards in the alimentary canal because of a force provided by the muscular tongue. Sorry, the flow of water taken with the food, gravitational pull, or the concentration of muscle in the wall of food pipe. Listen to this carefully. The swallowed food moves downwards in the alimentary canal because of what? You have to select from the following. I am giving you 10 extra seconds for this question because this question is very long. Force provided by the muscular tongue, the flow of water taken with the food, gravitational pull, or the contraction of muscle in the wall of food pipe. Okay, let's give you 5 seconds more for this question. The question is very easy, but it is lengthy to read. Okay, that's why. Okay, 3, 2, 1. If you haven't answered yet, pause the video and answer. Write down your answer. Okay. Question number 13. Look at the picture below. Okay, in the picture below, of the arrangement of teeth, which of the following show one molar? Here are some options. Some label. Okay, A, B, C, D. You have to select from this option A, B, C, D, which shows molar. A, B, C, or D. I hope you all know molar, premolar, incisor, canines, and all these things, right? Easy question again, but then too I am giving you 1 minute for this question. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and go. We'll move to the next question. Question number 14. Proteins breaks down into its simpler form with the help of enzymes. These simpler forms are what? Option A, glycerol, fatty acid, amino acid, or glucose. Very simple question. I think the simplest question in this quiz. Protein breaks down in its simpler form with the help of enzyme. These simpler forms are glycerol, fatty acids, amino acid, or glucose. What? Six question left again. Okay. 5 seconds left. Yes. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's move to the question number 15. The approximate length of the large intestine is 1.5 meter, 7.5 meter, 5.5 meter, 8.5 meter. 1.5, 7.5 meter, 5.5 meter, or 8.5 meter. What is the approximate length of large intestine? And this will come in your 10th class also, so better remember from these standards. Okay, chapter 2 is repeated in class 10 in life processes, especially human digestive system. Okay, we'll move to the next question. Question number 16. Which of the following are used for biting and cutting? Here are some teeth. You have to tell which is used for biting and cutting. Canines, premolar, molar, or incisors. Again from class 4 question. Class 4 chapter 1, teeth and digestion. The amazing thing is that we study only repeating things. If you study in class 4, the canines will repeat in class 7. Again digestive system will be repeated in class 10, and again digestive system will be repeated in class 12 and 11 also. And even if you go further in BSc MSc, you will study the digestive system same, but little bit detailed. Okay, we'll move to the next question. Question number 17. Large cream colored gland located just below the stomach, which one? Salivary gland, liver, pancreas, or none of the above? Large cream colored gland located just below the stomach is salivary gland, liver, pancreas, or none of the above? Again, those who have joined in between of the premiere, I must tell you, the answer key will be provided to you in the comment box after the premiere. Okay, but if premiere is over, then you can just look at the description or check the comment box and you will have the answer key. Again, we'll move to the next question. The digestive food is absorbed in large intestine, stomach, small intestine, or liver? Okay, check the description box, you will get the answers. But first attempt the quiz, okay, on your own, and then compare your questions, compare your answer with this answer in the comment box. Okay, don't directly go to the comment box and description box. The digestive food is absorbed in, again look at the question carefully and I try to answer. Okay, some of you might think that this is repeated question, but if you look carefully, you will notice that this is not repeated question. Time's up. We move to the 19th question. The millions of tiny outgrowths on the inner surface of small intestine is called what? Villi, buds, veins, or capillaries? 15 seconds already gone. The millions of tiny outgrowths on the inner surface of the small intestine is called. Again, we have discussed the question in the classroom interaction yesterday only. Villi, buds, veins, or capillaries? And also now note down this question and answer in your notebook, because this will help you in these upcoming examination, BON examination. Three, two, one, go. We'll move to the next question. Question number 20. Curd is the name given to the food of ruminant, which is what? Swallowed and undigested food, swallowed and partially digested, properly chewed and partially digested, properly chewed and completely digested. Interesting question, right? Swallowed and undigested, sorry. Curd is the name given to the food, right, of ruminant, which is what? Swallowed and undigested, swallowed and partially digested, properly chewed and partially digested, and properly chewed and completely digested. I'll give you 10 extra seconds to this question. Okay, time's up, and thank you. Have a nice day.